Hello.
Hello, my name is Juha. My family name is Suutari, and my friend name Sutki.
Okay. This is my mentor. I have learning much from him. He is nice people and kindly.
Vikri, yes, Vikri, you are very good man. Special
No,
man.
no. You is a very special man because you have many special tools.
Okay, thank you.
And how about tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Vappu.
What is mean, Papa?
Vappu is a Finnish walk party.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but holidays tomorrow is
Yes, tomorrow is no work.
no walk.
It's holiday time.
Okay.
And how are you doing? For
Doing
tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm running. I'm
Yeah,
running.
yes.
No drinking.
No drinking, no alcohol,
Yeah.
no cigarette.
Okay.
Because him is a healthy boy.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. See you later.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Finish. Mitä kuuluu?
Oh.
Vain hyvää. Mitä kuuluu?
Mitä kuuluu?
Hyvää.
Hyvä.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.